The biggest frustration when it comes to working with RGB lights is this. You see this gunk? It's just embedded in the footage, man. Even if I take you right here and we look at the log footage, I mean, it's there. Look at this artifacting. So how do you get rid of this? There are a couple of different ways that I'm going to show you. And then finally, I'm going to show you a miracle worker of a tool. I mean, this tool should be illegal. It is so good and it makes it so easy to make things that exist in log disappear. But before we do that, let me show you some other ways. So the first method is going to be a beginner way, which is just global saturation. You can pull it back until things start to look a little bit better. But like, look what it did. It just desaturated your entire image. So that's not good enough. The second option is going to be color warper. I can go in here and I can select the most saturated areas right here. I can look at my vector scope and keep pulling this down, and I can end up with something like that. Much better result, way more controlled, but at the same time, it's not getting rid of that gunk. Another way could be us using our color slice and go under red and then pull it down. I like the results, but at the same time, it desaturated the entire image. Now I'm going to reveal a tool that is going to blow your freaking mind. Drop on a DCTL and I'm gonna pull down and select Skin Juice Mixer. Look at saturation limiter. I'm going to grab this and I'm gonna start pulling it back, and just look at this. I mean, what? Guys, remember, even in log, we had this artifacting, and now look at this. With this tool, it is gone. It just literally got rid of that, like this gunk, and it left everything else as is. I mean, how mind-bendingly amazing is that? This is not a want, it's a must. So go ahead, use this coupon on the screen at the checkout to claim your massive discount.